Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel. Bana racha ka kwi HIV and AIDS entera wacha ka Western Equatoria ka Juba. Men chalat G. Polapine ke Western Equatoria State Minister of Health. Te garaj michikalat ka tada and HIV. Chana chakaria ka ja ka kwi ko tele cha poroje ke dan me la na kula moy ke yo ko moy na to wal cha ja kap chong banjeling na me be ka kor ke me shi Donald Trump cha jala no shi kan blok bele top ka kwi walton continue no de ne continue tin te ke HIV and AIDS de ka lo ka je ngaje je gwan wo re wit ka South Sudan ke liu la ji Equatoria Canadian konti chala do 6.8% kan ke HIV AIDS re widian so banan raj me banje chulin kel go rejen wo jin bi janyo kana asin ko ken ko bay ladje ko do badan en chajalat ke je ani kontin tre wecce ka sa Sudan comedian kontin lat ka roisni katin to re ka sa Sudan gwaye mi jiram jidit ke jan gwas me go rejen o bilara me bi janyo kana asin ko ken chuje peru jen o subscribe kan war online TV channel bana show wore ler kamen banaling Are wacce kasa Sudan Yambio cha thup na wal HIV and AIDS ta ja kapchong ngayen jwe chwal ke HIV and AIDS jwe en chwal ke HIV and AIDS jen je ke jaka toch rami mote ke jwe en chwal ke AIDS ki mi she toch ke ne tungwan ki che toch ke multiple partner en jwe mo be jidop jwe mo dop ke je karim chala do tam re wi ke Yambio cha na mo la duob dan en de we jwe me de kapchong je chala do cha ja ngok ke lwak de cha je to ban je kula linkel Rajan Shalat Egypt Polapine Key Minister of Health Revision Vinamika Western Equatoria Chicken Ladonene Cha Topni Wal Chaja Kapchong La Topni HIV and S Chaja Ngok Ko Kayambi Tai Ngokayambio Chalado take a program la Latke Shetkola Na Laka Nyeka Dobandan and then out in Ganga HIV and AIDS Revision Vinamiko Chijue Mechanate one Chicadella adoption ko ngayon no lana the Nika ko Jinchi de Torch Kanate and one day Toy Karam Kelkarwada Kano de do gang ko shaje de yet chima mo chi ponche de ke ke kira den chi de gor no be jugur ka riem de mo dong to point to take bot miteten ko che chai bi chi de je chala do en program mo cha tok ke cha ja kap chong shala den go cha ja kap chong ko tele yo ke tele fan me batu ben vinimi ki mi to kere wi ke yambio kan yo te la ngon ke kwi jwa mo cha ka kap chong kume USA ki Donald Trump la president dung United States and payu kwarka lan ngije dan la tup ka do dan de wal de ko mat ke je ki wal kon de community kon de ke chai bi chala do ken cha ka kap chong ki cha to ko na mo ramen ku kon gor gwase me te ko mi chala gwase me ka jen Western Equatoria State chala do ne na kari pon mi cha no ngano Western Equatoria State take 6.8% Canadian content cha ke be HIV cha ro mo cha de kwen Central Equatoria wate ga 3.1% ki Eastern Equatoria take 4.0%. Ne take gwatar kone cha ka HIV baje lat ye ka to English dana cha non ka je man ya makan kono re raja me te mi cha lat department dana la dung you say ki ngai kon organization actual ke US agency no mela na the look for international development mela funding la ja top no raja cha lat Donald Trump gwazme ken ni kon ni kel ge chala do ka kon ni choko jandang bangwan gwasme jene be lok be jakap chong la kon ni jen bangwan be jeno yo gwata me gor jeno biya jellin kam nana le rore ki manana chalat ko gor kono ban rwai ni to go tin kon de kon nang niam de kon keling ka duptin kon tin de na loka ka last week the State Department issued a memo implementing the post for new and obligated state and US Agency for International Development USA funding following President Trump executive order calling for a 90-day pause or foreign aid on foreign aid to allow the government to determine if programming aligned with Trump foreign policy. Why you can look, you can to look at HIV, malaria, tuberculosis, you can capture, a can buy the capture, according to Jen Dang Bangwan, a la Pes Dang Jok, and men which are no Dwobadan and work Donald Trump ke jere wijin winami amene mi chikana no ba program ba je yik resume ki ba je nyok mulo ke jelat na me mi chikan lat gwada me bana ta dan cha gor ke je ke ku HIV and wijin and winami ban jelat ken. According to a report here, the Western Equatorial State Minister of Health has confirmed the suspension of the HIV and AIDS program in Yambio due to funding cut from the United States, leaving thousands of vulnerable individuals uncertain about their future. According to report, the HIV and AIDS prevalence in Western Equatoria is 6.8%. This is higher than the prevalence in the other states of the Greater Equatoria region, which are Central Equatoria is 3.1% and Eastern Equatoria with 4.0%. Last week, like we already know this, the State Department issued a memo implementing the post for new and obligated state and U.S. Agency for International Development, USA, funding following President Trump executive order calling for a 90-day pause on foreign aids to allow the government to determine if programming aligns with Trump foreign policy. Well, the Health Minister James Abdallah Arona attributed the suspension to directive from the U.S. government. The program was halted following decision from the United States. I spoke with the program director of CMMB Yambio, and they assured me that discussions are ongoing. We expect to receive further updates soon. Arona explained it. The minister expressed concern about the impact of the decision, emphasizing that the program was heavily reliant on international donors, including USAID and Sweden. If funding stops, people will suffer. I urge the national government and our partners to engage donors to ensure continued support for our vulnerable population, he said. Arona reassured people living with HIV that the government was working closely with partners to ensure the availability of essential medication. Gwasa me mi kan lat atan dan de HIV de ja kap chonga changnam de na lok je changnam na ci kum USA ci kan la no ci kan dok ci kan betup ka kuje mo ngot kume jene belet bako do badan de kan content ke HIV de kan lok changnam chawo cha lok ja kap chonga United States na me jela dan gore de nyoga yekel goro no jin be nyoga nasri ko kien ene biata kamal bana jekka la radien bye bye.